Hello everyone, it's Leigh here. Welcome back to my channel. Big hello to anyone who's here for the first time. July Junk Journal Challenge is something that I'm hosting on the weekdays of July this year. So here's the hashtag JJJC2025. It's an open collaboration. You can join in at any time, and you don't have to do the prompts in order. It's just a list. You can download your own copy of this prompt list. There's a link in my video description box. And what you'll also find there is links to all my YouTube friends that are playing along with me. So have a look at that. Now the hashtag, it works on YouTube, it works on Facebook, and also on Instagram. So there's 3 places that you can have a look. There is a Facebook group you can join for free. Don't forget to let everyone know how much you like their work by giving them a thumbs up, maybe leaving a comment. Even just a heart or a smiley face is nice to see. And also hitting the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get on with today's prompt, which is number 17, and it is found in the forest. So I have a little pile of foresty things on my desk. I'm going to use them to make my spread. Does anyone else have one of these? A big pile of pre-made envelopes. I think I made these about 5 years ago. They've been sitting in my stash. Some of them I look at and I think, I'll do better than that now. But anyway, I was thinking maybe I can work one of these into this spread. I'll be working on this left-hand page in my journal today. And I'm going to lay down a bit of collage work, and then I'll add some paint, and then I'll add some other elements to it. I love to add this base collage because it makes my page more robust, adds strength to the page. It is, after all, only copy paper that I'm gluing all this onto, so it can come under a bit of strain once you start adding bits and pieces on top of it. So this paper helps it all hang in there, basically. I'm just randomly putting the pieces on, not thinking about any particular design, just going with the flow. I have my base made now, and I'm going to add some of this chalk paint. So this colour is called Sage, which is a nice foresty colour. So I'm just going to add that with a dry brush in certain areas, just to cover the joins, the edges of the paper. So just to unify it all. And then I'm going to add some white gesso in on top of that. I didn't worry about cleaning my brush, I just went straight into the white gesso with the same brush until I think it looks nice. I'm going to make a tuck spot for this page, and I have this gorgeous piece of handmade paper that actually has flowers in the paper mix. And I thought, well, that goes with the foresty theme, and I love the texture of that paper. I'm going to mount the piece of handmade paper onto this brown tag because it's only thin, but I know that'll stick easier to the page than the handmade paper. So I'm going to put those two together, pop something underneath it, and then I'll glue 2 sides down, or 1 side down and the bottom, and that'll be my tuck spot. Might have got a little bit carried away with that stamp, I think. So I'm just going to blend out some of those stamps with white gesso. Gesso to the rescue. What would we do without it? Time to put the tuck spot down. So I'm just gluing one side and the bottom. Pop that on there. I'm just going to hold that down until that glue sets. So I'm using art glitter glue. I'm using art glitter glue. It's my favourite. It really works on surfaces that have got other things on them, such as paint and texture and things like that. I have some little labels, so I've just stuck one on there that says wild and free. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you can, leave a comment or just a heart or a smiley face. That'd be wonderful. Really appreciate it when I see all of them. I'm going to mount my label for the day onto another piece of that handmade paper, and instead of gluing it to the page, I'm going to staple it onto the side of the page so that it pokes out like a tab. I love the way that looks on the side of the page, just for something different. I love the whole page actually, looks really nice. So there it is, found in the forest. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope you will check out the playlist, and I hope you're going to play along as well. So I will say goodbye for now. We'll see you in the next video. So have fun in your crafting room. And in the meantime, hugs and cheers from Australia. Hooroo!